Welcome back. Senior journalist Shekhar Gupta feels that India has immense chance to grow under the leadership of Narendra Modi. He believes that Narendra Modi needs to push forward other dynamic leaders like Goa's Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Shekhar Gupta had an exclusive chat with Prudent on the occasion of release of his book Anticipating India.
We have privilege to have one of the India's best journalists, Shekhar Gupta, and he has come here in Goa with a new book, Anticipating India. Sir, from Shekhar Gupta's point of view, what India is anticipating?
India is anticipating a big change now. I think we have seen a change of our way of thinking, because after about 65 years of socialism, because even BJP government so far basically were brought up in the socialist milieu. Now we have genuinely a government of the right. So there is a shift of the Indian mind from left to right. Not that far right, but a little bit to the right. And that I think is a landmark change. So India is now looking forward, if it works positively, looking forward to an era of growth, a lot of positivity.
When we think about India's democracy and the elections, the two recent developments, one is growth of Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi, and another thing is Modi's becoming Prime Minister. What do you feel? What is the greater example for Indian democracy?
Well, I think it's a very good example because both are outliers. Arvind Kejriwal had never been a politician before, and Narendra Modi was from a small state far away in India, not from Hindi heartland. And remember, both are very different people. One is educated in IIT, one has very little formal education, but though both are people born after independence. So this also marks a generational shift in a country where only old people are taken seriously. People are now beginning to take young people with no family background. They took Rajiv Gandhi seriously because he had a family background. But now people have begun to take young people with no family background also seriously, as long as they can convince them.
This government has become only one name, Narendra Modi. Do you feel this is a good change, or do you feel that...
Well, India needs to have one leader, a name, a face. Because our Prime Minister in many ways has the same role as the President of America. Prime Minister is the chief executive. But you can't govern a country like India, which is so diverse and so big, in a one-man system. So he will need to create more people. BJP already has good chief ministers in many states, including in Goa, very popular chief minister, Mr. Parrikar, and a young chief minister, educated young chief minister, very popular. But similarly, he will have to create more people at the central government, because India can't be run by one person. It's too diverse and too many unexpected things happen in India.
Thank you very much, sir, for talking with us. With video journalist Omkar Flari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
FC Goa has got in the groove under the legendary Brazilian coach Zico as the inaugural Indian Super League draws close. FC Goa have comfortably won both their friendly matches so far. Former Arsenal star and FC Goa's marquee player Robert Pires has looked impressive. Zico praised the former France international midfielder but has kept the focus on teamwork. Brazilian defender Andre Santos is in process of joining FC Goa, and Zico is looking forward to the addition.
De trabalho, a forma como eu quero que eles joguem, e no maior tempo do jogo hoje o time se posicionou muito bem.
Players are getting used to the way I want them to play, and formation and positioning. So at the most, out of 90 minutes, the most time they understood and they performed well. That's what I want.
O que ele tem feito, o máximo que ele puder aguentar, que não desgaste ele tanto. E ele está numa boa condição, orienta o time, a presença dele em campo é boa. E eu converso sempre com ele, o tempo que ele puder ficar, que não atrapalhe a ele, ele vai ficar. Queria até ficar um pouco mais, mas eu preferi aumentar aos poucos, né, a carga dele.
What he has done is good enough for us, to help us on the ground. as much as he can stay, we'll keep him on the ground because he's helping a lot. His presence on the ground is very important for the players, for the team. And even today he want to play a little more, but I decide to keep him and just to give some other players as well. So, but Pires is doing a very good job with us.
Andre Santos will join the team soon. How much will he add to the team? How much will he improve the team?
O André Santos está chegando, o quanto ele pode acrescentar para o time?
Tecnicamente, muita experiência, sabe? E futebol não se ganha com 11 jogadores, futebol se ganha com um grupo, e ele vai fazer parte de um grupo com vontade de vencer.
With his technique and with his experience, he has a lot to help. But football, you don't win with 11. It's a group that wins, a championship. And André Santos comes to be part of that group who is going to fight for the trophy.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.